Ladies and gentlemen, Medicines for Europe is strongly committed to supporting industrial policy initiatives which improve patient access to generics, biosimilars and value-added medicines. We welcome that the European Commission has launched a targeted legislative proposal to introduce a SPC manufacturing waiver. This gives us an unprecedented opportunity to fix an unintended side effect of the SPC regulation, which delayed patient access to medicines. However, it is important to note that the current SPC manufacturing waiver proposal has some serious limitations for the generics industry. It applies only for export, and it excludes day one launches in Europe, and it applies only to future SPCs. Therefore, the benefits cited in the Charles River Associates study would not apply. Those which require a full comprehensive SPC manufacturing waiver enabling the industry for day one launches in Europe, exports to non-SPC regulated markets, and it would require immediate effectiveness. Let me give you one example why this is so important. On day one, after SPC expiry, an imported product from SPC non-regulated markets can compete with a brand. The European-based manufacturer at the same time can only start to import the API, manufacture the finished dosage form, and launch months later. For biosimilars and complex generics, this delay can easily add up to 12 to 18 months. Therefore, we need to get this right. I would like to call on you and encourage you and all those who share this view to help us to accomplish a full and comprehensive SPC manufacturing waiver, which enables the European industry to compete on day one in Europe, to export to non-SPC regulated markets during European SPC protection, and that we get immediate effectiveness. Thanks for your support.